Showbiz fanatics Catherine Bernardo matapos maging emosyonal sa kanyang contract signing, finally ay may nilinaw patungkol sa isang issue na nag-a-arouse ngayong mga panahong ito. Ang lahat ng yan, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, ay nais ko po muna of course magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga legit viewers, subscribers at ang lahat ng mga laging nanonood at nagmamahal kay Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla. Maraming salamat po. And for today's video, ito na nga dahil kahapon nasaksihan po natin ang ipinangako at pinulfill nitong si Miss Catherine Bernardo ang kanyang pangako sa ABS-CBN na hindi niya po ito iiwan hanggang sa makamit nito, hanggang up to the very end, no? Sabi diyan, Catherine Bernardo broke down in tears during her contract renewal with ABS-CBN Star Magic as she reflected on her journey as a kapamilya and looked back on the hurdles she faced in the previous year. Sinabi po ni Miss Catherine Bernardo kahapon na talagang nakaraang taon 2023 was really the most hard year for her. What a day, parang extra emotional ako today, sabi niya. The actress said on Friday, Feb 2, thanking the film directors and production staff she was worked with her, mentors and fellow actors who sent their greetings for her milestone. Bernardo also expressed her gratitude to the ABS-CBN executive who had tirelessly supported her and her decision. Sabi niya, I remember in 2020, I made the promise, sinabi ko na sa ABS-CBN na hindi kita iiwan, nandito lang ako hanggang makabangon ka ulit. And today, here I am, fulfilling that promise, she underscore. Ang daming nangyari sa ABS-CBN, but mahal ko Mahal ko, sobra yung kumpanya. Together, we will rise, despite all the challenges, she vowed. Will be stronger, even better. Bernardo then addressed her friends and family, including her Mommy Min, who was emotional as well during the event, expressing her appreciation for them for making everything so much better. Last year was very hard time for me, she admitted with her voice breaking from crying. It's so hard to find real friends in the industry. Ni-prove nila possible din na makahanap ka ng mabubuting tao sa industriya. Sila yung mga nandyan, especially nung pinakakailangan ko sila. Thank you for staying and thank you for being with me throughout all this. Catherine Bernardo also extended her appreciation to her fans for giving her the freedom to choose what will make her happy. Alam ko naging mahirap, sabi niya, naging mahirap din sa inyo especially last year. So many challenges, she said. Ang dami nating pinagdaanan pero nandito ako, nandito kayo. Kaya natin, kinaya at kakayanin. So don't worry about anything, don't worry about me. So sa mga sinasabi po kasi ni Miss Catherine Bernardo kahapon, sobrang naging emotional at the same time, naramdaman talaga natin even yung mga manonood sa live, sa may doon po sa live chat, makikita mo talaga na tumatagos yung emotion ni Miss Catherine Bernardo during those times. At masasabi mo na talaga na nandun pa rin talaga siya sa tinatawag na healing process at sobra yung pasasalamat niya sa mga taong talagang nagmahal sa kanya at sinamahan siya during those hard days ng kanyang buhay. Pero aside from that, kasi may mga kumakalat din po kasi mga issue ngayon na kung saan ay ini-incorporate sa pangalan ni Miss Catherine. Ito na, dahil dyan hindi na rin po naiwasan na magpaliwanag si Catherine Bernardo. Inexplain niya yung mga panahon na nakikita nga ng ilan na magkasama sila ni Jericho Rosales. Kung matatandaan, bago pa po pumutok ang mga balitang ito, ay nakonfirma na si Jericho Rosales ay hiwalay na sa kanya pong former wife, no? At nagkaroon na po sila ng parang arrangement tungkol sa kanilang paghihiwalay. Catherine Bernardo explained why she was spotted on late night run with Jericho Rosales, whom she described as a nice guy. A very good girl actress talked about the recent sighting in an interview with ABS-CBN during her contract renewal with the network on Friday, Feb 3. And according to her, she first met up with her friend's fellow Going Bulilit alumni John Manalo that day, who was the one who invited her for a late night jogging. Nagkita kami noon, mag-workout ako talaga that day, tapos na-mention niya na magja-jogging. Sabi niya, gusto mo sumama? Then I said, okay, why not? Kaysa mag-workout ako mag-isa, she explained. So nagja-jogging, it was PM late na. We were just having fun and working out. Yun lang, she said. During her contract renewal, Catherine bared her plan for her future project, mentioning that Jericho is among the actors she wants to work with in the future. He's such a nice guy. Sobrang bait niya. Ayaw mo bang makatrabaho yung ganon? So let's just see, she said. Jericho also sent some love and support the 27-year-old actress during the event. Sabi niya, I want to congratulate you for the step that you've been taking. I've been watching you and you've been doing great. And I hope that we can work on something someday and let's work on that promise, he said in his message. The two were also spotted together at the gender reveal party of Ma Salvador and Rambo Nunez, first child. Jericho's godfather recently revealed that the actor his longtime love, King Jones, have been separated since 2019. So, ibig sabihin, kung nakita man natin sila na magkasama, hindi po planado yun. Yun po ay nagkataon lamang. At dahil dyan, tayo naman ay magbasa no, ng ilan sa mga komento ninyo from dun po sa ating last update. At pipilitin natin kung ano magiging reaction natin dito. Unahin natin ang komento ni Ma'am si Elizabeth Mabalot. Sabi niya, tamang ginawa mo, Kat, kapamilya forever at marunong kang tumanaw ng utang na loob sa kanila. Kanila ka nagsimula, sa kanila ka halos naganap ang tagumpay mo sa iyong karera. God bless you more. Love you, Kat. Ayun. So, ito po yung kanyang komento patungkol sa bagay na ito, na bagay na talagang forever grateful din ng ABS-CBN to Catherine dahil nga, syempre, nakita naman natin yung resulta ng kanyang pagtatrabaho. So, sabi ni Lulivet Talava, congrats, Kat. Go, go, go. We're here to support you whatever, whenever, wherever you want along the way. Makes you happy. Be happy with your work. We respect you and your decision to fulfill your dreams. Good luck and God bless you with your work. Ayun. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lolivet Talava. Ayan. So, ang dami po talagang reactions kahapon. Ang daming naiyak, ang daming naging emotional, lalo na po nung nagsasalita na si Miss Catherine, yung kanyang speech during the contract signing. Sobrang tumagos talaga sa mga manonood. And of course, another comment, sabi ni Teresita Mercurio, congrats, Kat. For me, you're absolutely the most wonderful actress I've ever known. So grateful and thankful. Congrats din, Mami Min. Great mother. God bless your family. Yan. So, very happy din si Kat kahapon kasi nakita rin natin no, na talagang kapag nasaktan yung anak niya si Catherine, doble yung naramdamang sakit ni Mami Min dun sa pangyayari na yon. Sabi naman ni Carol Vargas, sobrang heartfelt speech or mga words na binitawan ni Catherine. I was listening with tears in my eyes. So much admire you, Kat. You're so smart, kind-hearted, and lovable to anybody. Ayun. So, tama po yun, no? Talagang very, very, kumbaga parang ka nandun ka, maiiyak ka eh. Parang very emotional, extra emotional nga siya during that time. Sabi naman ni Bendung Mangkas, congrats, Kat. Sobrang talinong bata. The way she delivered her speech. Congrats din sa magulang na pinalaki si Kat na mabait, magalang at walang kaplastikan. Mabuhay ka and more blessings to come. Ayun. So, ito naman po yung kanyang komento patungkol sa bagay na ito. And another comment, sabi ni Nico Japsay, congrats, Mami Min. You're the best mom ever. Thank you for your upbringing to Kat and family. You made her best. Ako rin po, sobrang hanga ko kay Mami Min. Kung paano niya pinalaki si Kat. Kung paano po pinakita ni Kat how she carried herself and kung paano dami nagmamahal sa kanya kasi talaga mabait na bata.
Well, kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag mo kalimutan mag-like, mag-share at mag-subscribe at i-follow mo na rin ang aking Facebook page, DarEdsTV. And also, I have my TikTok account which is DarEdsTV. Pwede nyo rin po akong i-follow doon. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless everyone!